Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Python, like many other programming languages, is executed by a virtual machine that translates Python code into bytecode instructions. These bytecode instructions are low-level operations that the Python interpreter can execute efficiently. Sometimes, you may want to count the number of bytecode instructions that are executed in your Python program for various reasons, such as optimizing performance or debugging. In this tutorial, we will learn how to count bytecode instructions in Python and modify sys.setcheckinterval accordingly. Before we get started, make sure you have Python installed on your system. This tutorial is applicable to Python 3.x. To count bytecode instructions, we will use the sys and dis modules. The sys module provides access to Python's runtime environment, while the dis module is used for bytecode analysis. Let's create a sample Python function that we want to analyze and count the bytecode instructions for. For example, now, let's write a function that counts the bytecode instructions for a given Python function. In this code, the sys.setcheckinterval function is used to set the Python interpreter's internal checking interval, which affects how often the interpreter checks for signals and thread switches. You can modify it based on the bytecode count you obtained in step 3. Here's an example of how you can do this. In this example, we adjust the sys.setcheckinterval value based on the bytecode count. You can customize these values according to your specific needs and performance goals. Counting bytecode instructions in Python can be a useful tool for performance optimization and debugging. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can count bytecode instructions in your Python code and modify sys.setcheckinterval as needed to optimize your program's performance. ChatGPT.